students, now we are going to understand the page number 55. Greedy gatekeepers. What is the meaning of greedy, students? Greedy means lalchi, right? Remember Birbal, the clever minister of King Akbar, which you would have studied in your class 4, page number 14. Do you know how he became a minister? This is all actually in your class 4th only, right? But we'll start from here. The real concept starts from here. Birbal was then a young boy living in a village, right? He was very clever and could write poetry. He was very clever. Who was very clever? Birbal. And could write poetry. Poetry means he used to write good poems, right? He thought he would try his luck in the king's court. That means हिंदी में बोलते हैं king's court मतलब king के दरबार में, right? So he thought that he would try his luck in the king's court. So he took some of his poems and set off for the city. That means वो village से city के लिए निकल गए. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. That means as he wanted to enter the king's court, he was being stopped by the gatekeeper. यानी gatekeeper ने उन्हें stop किया. Hey, stop there. Where are you going? The gatekeeper is asking the Birbal that where are you going? He said, I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him, replied the poet. That means poet has, what he replied to the gatekeeper, that he is a poet and he wanted to see the King Akbar and want to show the poems to the king. Oh, you are the poet. The king is kind. He will surely give you a prize. I will let you in if you give me 1/10 of your prize. That means the gatekeeper is now replying to the poet that the king is very kind. Kind मतलब बहुत दयालु है. He surely give you the prize. आपको वो definitely prize देंगे. Prize means a kind of gift. I will let you in if you give me 1/10 of your prize. That means आपको जो भी prize मिले, whatever the prize you get, you have to give 1/10 of that prize, right? For example, if you get 10 rupees, right? So 10 divided by 10, that means 1 rupee need to be given to the gatekeeper. Is it okay, students? Now we'll take the next page. Page number 56. Young Birbal agreed since he had no other way. Right? Why the Birbal agreed, students? Because the Birbal doesn't have any kind of, the Birbal doesn't have any kind of choice. So that's why he said, okay. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated. If we get 100 gold coins, so I will get 100, students. If you divide by 10, that means we'll get 10. दैट मीन्स अगर बिरबल को 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स मिलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, तो गेट कीपर को कितने मिलेंगे? 10, बिकॉज वी वांट टू डिवाइडेड बाय 10. 1/10 पार्ट मिलने वाला है, राइट? द पोएट केम टू अ सेकेंड गेट कीपर. नाउ द बिरबल इज कमिंग टू द सेकेंड गेट कीपर. दिस गेट कीपर ऑल्सो सेड, आई विल लेट यू इन इफ यू गिव मी 2/5 ऑफ योर प्राइस. दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर यू गेट, यू हैव टू गिव 2/5 ऑफ योर प्राइस. द पोएट अग्रीड. Right? For example, if we get 10 rupees, if we calculate for the previous one only, अगर आपको 10 rupees मिलते हैं बिरबल को, तो उसका 2/5 मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? 5 ones and 5 twos. और you can do like this, 10 twos 20 divide by 5. That means 4 rupees, right? So 4 rupees need to be given to the gatekeeper. The gatekeeper happily calculated the poet will get at least 100 gold coin. 100 gold coin. So I will get how many gold coins? 40? Yes or no, students? Right? अगर आपको कैलकुलेट करना है तो आप ऐसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स के 2/5 का मतलब होता है 100 फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल गेट 200 डिवाइड बाय 5, सो इट इज़ 40. Is it okay? Now the poet reached the last gate. Now the poet is at the last gate. So here the gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the price that you get. Now this gatekeeper is very much greedy. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि whatever you get as a price you have to give me half. That means अगर आपको 10 rupees मिल रहे हैं तो 5 rupees देना. 100 gold coins मिले so you have to give 50 gold. Okay, the gatekeeper thought, today is a great day. That means आज तो बहुत बड़ा दिन है. If we get 100 gold coins, so I will get 50 because उसका half मिलने वाला है उसको. So 50 gold coins. But if we get 1000 coins, then wow, I will get 500 gold coins, right? 500 gold coins, right, students? 1000 का आधा होता है 500. The king was very happy with the poems and said, what he said? Your work is very good. You can ask anything as your prize. So Birbal is very clever. He said, my lord, I want 100 slabs. What, 100 slabs? The king was shocked. The king was, students, shocked. Why the king was shocked? The reason is because the poems were so beautiful, and instead of getting some money, the Birbal is demanding for the slabs. So what happened after that? Complete the story, right? What would be the story, students? As the Birbal returned from the king's court, the gatekeeper who demanded half of the price, that means gatekeeper number 3. So there he would be giving how many slabs to that gatekeeper? 50 slabs, right? Next, to the second gatekeeper who has demanded 2/5 of the price, so he would be giving how many slabs to him? 40 slabs, right? And to the last gatekeeper, that means gatekeeper number 1, he demanded 1/10 of the price, so there he would be giving 10 slab. So this is how, students, the Birbal have taught them a lesson, right? Okay, students, now let's understand the page number 57, right? Patterns in parts. First one is make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C and D. That means this B, C and D. What part of the grid did you color and what part of the grid remaining white? See here, this is your first grid, right, which has already been given to you. Total 16 squares are there. Out of that 16, 8 are been colored, right? So similarly we have to draw some patterns in B, C and D also. So we can do like this. Okay, so this is one of the pattern which you can see. Now out of 16, how many are been shaded? 8. So here you can write 8 by 16 shade and 8 by 16 remaining. Is it okay? This is the C question. Now let's see in the how we can do pattern in this. So we can do pattern like this. You can choose your own pattern also, students. So out of 16, how many boxes are being shaded? That are 6. So here I can write 6 by 16 shaded. And out of 16, if 6 are shaded, then how many are remaining? 10. So 10 by 16 remaining. Now this last one is remaining. So here also I am going to do some pattern. So see this. Okay, see this D1 also. So out of 16 I have shaded how much? 8. And how many are remaining? 8 by 16 only remaining. Now below here one question is there. Look at the grid A again. Is the grid color half blue, half white? 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white, 3 by 8 blue, 5 by 8 white, 4 by 8 blue, 4 by 8 white. Now if you can see here students, 8 by 16, 8 by 16 means it is a half, right? 8 by 16, that means half white and half blue. So this will be the correct answer for it. And what about this one, 2 by 4? This will not be done. 2 by 4 is also means 1 by 2 only. So we can tick here also. And 3 by 8 not possible. 4 by 8 that is also possible, because 4 by 8 means this is also half only. So this is also right, students, right? So these three are right, but this is wrong. Now this question, students, question number 3, draw a grid of 16 squares and make patterns with 2 by 8 red, half yellow, 1 by 4 green, 3 by 16 blue, 5 by 16 red, half yellow. So this question, students, you can try as your homework, right, students?
आभार।